Alright, YouTube, got another unboxing to do today. Yep, nothing too special. Just a power kit, a charge kit for an Xbox One controller. I'm tired of going through batteries. Sorry about not giving a review yet for Madden. I have a video made, I just have to edit it and load it. It's a pretty good video, I think. I hope you guys think so too. It's not that bad of a game, but like I said, I'll go over that and you'll see what I think of that in that video once I uploaded it. But I picked this today for $18 at Walmart. NYKO looks like it's the brand. I never heard of them. Never heard of that brand. So hopefully it's a good and investment. Tired of going through Duracell batteries all the time. Excuse me. It comes with two rechargeable batteries. I think my phone will focus. There you go. Comes with two rechargeable batteries, two battery covers, and a charge cable. So I'm going to open this up and see what's inside, see what it looks like, see the quality of the product, and so you guys can see it and see if you guys would want to buy a set yourself. I'll be right back as soon as I get it open. Alright, YouTube, we're back. Got it unboxed. We're going to see how it works and how it goes together for you guys. Looks like you got two covers here in case if you have two Xbox One controllers, which I don't. So I'll probably put this aside. The battery itself, a chargeable cord, which it looks like it can plug into the back of a USB brick, which we'll see right here in a second. Oh yeah, see, it goes right in the back of a USB brick. So you might be able to charge your controller from the wall, just like a cell phone. So that'll work. You get more of a charge from the wall anyway, depending what type of breakers and circuits you have in your house. Let's see how it works though. I got my controller out here, and we'll see how it goes together inside the controller. How's that? From my understanding, it looks like it should go just like this side faces up, and it will go just like that. Now you could use your see, it looks like right now as it stands you cannot reuse your Xbox One backing cover. So yep, I see how it goes. Okay, you cannot reuse your Xbox One backing plate if you use these NYKO chargers, because for one, that's how it should be set up. If you could see it, there's a little port right there for the cord. So that's how that works. So basically, inside your controller, it is set up like this. This little outing, there's the USB port, and your Xbox One obviously don't have that. Not saying this is a waste, probably keep it. Not sure, kind of like it. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Like I said, I got two of them. Now the moment of truth, can you record it through the wall? Let me put this down real quick. And yes, YouTube, excuse me for the camera, you can charge it through the wall. And once those light up green, solid green, the batteries do not come charged, sadly. Once that lights up solid green, you're able to play. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Again, I'll get the Madden review up here shortly. I've been sick and I've been very busy. And everything. And if you can help me get to 1,000 subscribers and views on the Madden video, I will send out a free copy to a lucky winner. Other than that, please have a good night. Stay safe, YouTube. Keep gaming and have fun. Peace.